truck. My camera cannot even see. That guy's had an accident. So this guy stopped. I stopped. But these guys didn't stop, could not stop. So this is the left lane, this is the right lane. But that truck tried to avoid me from the right side, but still hit me. But I didn't hit anyone. This is the cars in the ditch. So that truck hit me on the right side, trying to avoid me. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. This car. Look at these. This is my truck. That truck hit me on the right side. Yeah. You see the trail? This is a road right here. This is the right lane. But this is big pile up over here. And look at these cars. And I still hear the noise banging in the back. But there is one car right here. Oh my God. You guys all right? You okay? Oh, hold on. 1 second, I'm coming. Hey, help me out to get these people out, bro.